and I've been dreaming of going, because we've been eating very smart and very holistic.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's not.
Comedian, you kind of have to find that niche. It might be cartoon, it might be impersonation or impression, imitation. It's hard to say. And
I mean,
when
you made me just think of watching your video, you know?
So, I don't know what that means.
I love when you do that.
You ever do?
Please ask away. I mean, normally I'm a little bit opaque, but not for the great at all.
And I care about you, so that's why I want to get in here and just kind of...
The whole push on. Now, what? You're a big proponent of eating, you're not very much in the
That worked good.
No, I understand.
Listen, I'm going to ask you some questions.
I don't remember. I ran into what red
extrasensory perception.
They jar.
I got into composing and arranging and
Can you?
You ready to?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boy. Killing